Hello friends, welcome to BDS Tech Lab. Now in this video we'll discuss another Java FAQ, and that is propagation. So I have already created the Java file, that is propagation.java, and how the exception is chaining, how exception propagating, chaining or propagation both are same. So we'll see with the help of example. So here just copy propagation because I have already created the file with the name of propagation. So we have to create the Java class with the same name. Okay, so class propagation, and then what we'll do, we'll create one method, and that method is void amount. Let's suppose void amount, and void amount has code that having exception. So let's suppose int a equals to 10 divide by 0. So this is containing exception actually. Which exception? Arithmetic exception. Okay. Now we are not going to handle here. Then we'll create another method like m2, and we'll call this method here also. And still we are not going to handle. Which m1 will call here. Means this exception is propagated here also, but still it is not handled. So next we'll create another method sorry, that is m3. Okay, and here here we'll handle. Okay, so we'll handle by the using try or catch block. Okay, so and we'll call here what, which method we'll call m2 method. Okay, here we'll call m2 method, and then in the catch block we'll handle there. Okay, in the catch block what we'll do, exception exce exception e, it is handled here. Okay, now what I'll do, system system dot out dot println, what I'll do, I'll provide here it is handled. Okay, what handled, handled, handled. Okay, handled. Now what we'll do, next one we'll call this how we can call, see, by using the main method. So main method we'll call here public static void main method, and or string with three dot or argument. So I'll string argsr. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll create the object of this class itself. Okay, the object p equals to new propagation. Got? Now we'll call this, which method we'll call, we'll call either see, this is the top stack. Here the exception is getting generated actually, and now this exception is propagated here, and here it is handled. Now if we'll call any of the method, it is already, we'll call m3. Okay, no problem, we'll call m3 because see, here it is already handled, there is no problem. And then I'll also need not to call any other things. Okay, I'll save this one and go to here itself, because here I have okay, see, now what we'll do, we'll java propagation dot see, now dot class file is getting generated, it is compiled already. Okay, see, getting generated. Now we'll do java sorry java and then propagation dot class. So see, it is handled. So this is the way that the exception chaining is happening, exception propagation is happening. So here in this method, this is the top stack, and where top stack here it is getting generated, and where we have handled this, here it is handled. Otherwise, let's suppose if we did not handle here, then it will go in the main method as well also. but we have handled here.